Hello and welcome to Monster Truck Classics, where I'm going to be unboxing the Losi King Sling ready to run mud truck. Officially licensed, designed to look and perform like the real thing. Best power to weight ratio for S compatible power plant. And then overbuilt 1/8 scale metal drivetrain in a 1/10 scale platform. Now many of you probably already seen unboxing videos of this truck, but let me go ahead. I wanted to do one here on my channel. So here we go, King Sling. Awesome graphics for the box and everything. There's Dennis Anderson by the real King Sling and Living the Dream. So if you want to go ahead and pause the video here to read the little article, go ahead. And now moving on down below, some nice pictures of King Sling in the mud doing a wheelie right there. And there's another picture. Up top, race inspired. If you want to pause the video again to read this, go ahead. And moving on to this side, officially licensed King Sling body. Then we get the Spectrum 2800 kV brushless power system with smart firmware 130 AESC. And then the 1/8 scale metal drivetrain with cush drive protection. Long travel oil-filled coil-over shocks with new shock shafts. Mud-slinging mega truck. So if you want to go ahead and pause the video again so you can read this paragraph. And moving on to the different things, shows you here front hinge flip top cage, officially licensed D&D patty tire and wheel, power coated twin vertical plate chassis, extended 4-link bars for longer wheelbase, scale solid axle housing. So yeah, this is pretty cool how it is now power coated on the twin vertical plate chassis. Green, really like that, and how it flips in the front. That's a little different from the Losi LMT Son of a Digger and Grave Digger. Let me go ahead, turn this around again. So on this opposite side, ready to run, required items and what's included. So let me go ahead, and this is what's on this side of the box, which I'm not gonna go over with. So this is what I wanted to show you on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. Look at that on the package, on the cardboard. Nice King Sling with the skulls, and then the silver skull with the crown. Here it says Losi Race Inspired, and the same thing on that side as well, and that side too. So let's go ahead and let me take the truck out of the box. We go ahead and take this off the body. There it is, the King Sling. So inside this box, we get the nice transmitter, and of course we get the Bog Hog / King Sling 4-wheel drive mega truck RTR manual, AA batteries for the transmitter, some extra parts and pieces. Let's get a closer view. Here is the body of King Sling. There is a driver inside, and then look at that. Dennis Anderson's and King Sling. Here are the DD paddle tires. And those wheels looking good. Sponsor plate. All the sponsors there. There's the motor sitting in there. Here is the back with the wing clip. And then we get some skull graphics there. Coming around to the front. There's the servo. And there's a plastic parts here for some protection from the mud. So we do get a mud guard up here. We see the exhaust coming out. Nice, and then here are the body clips. One here and then one on the opposite side. And then coming around here, then you can see then the two back here. So let me go ahead and take off the body clips. Wow, there we go. Inside look. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Now underneath the hood, there's the ESC battery plate, and then the plastic headers coming out from the side, the gas compartment. So this is what it looks like with the body up top, off, off but kind of on at the same time. Roll cage and everything intact. Here's the view of the right side of the truck. Here's a size comparison of Gravedigger compared to King Sling, and you can see the difference in the monster truck tire compared to the mega truck tire. And I don't know if on the screen it kind of seems like Gravedigger sits a little lower than King Sling. Here's just another view of the two trucks side by side. Hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing of the King Sling Mega Mud Truck, and thank you for tuning in.